Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add custom font in your Shopify website. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify website without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to share easy and step-by-step guideline that you can draw by yourself without any coding skill, spending money or spending a lot of time. So let's get started and make your website more professional. Here is my Shopify online store and I am going to add custom font in this website. Okay, to do this, first I am going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click content, click on files and upload custom font here. I have already make ready my font and you must have to upload your font in WOFF format. So you have to convert your font if your font in different format like OTF. So here is the question, how you can convert your font from OTF format to WOFF. So let me show you this one also. Just go to Google and type font convert from OTF to WOFF. Then you can use any online free font converter. So you can use convert.io, this one, super easy and fast. So I hope you can do this very easily. Just select your font and click on convert. That's it. Okay, let's go back my backend. Here I am going to upload my font. Click on upload files button. Then select the font which one you want to use or upload. I am going to upload two different font. Select this two font and click on the open and my font upload completed. Then click online store, click on this three dot icon, edit code, search CSS and open base.css file. Scroll down a little bit. Start your coding from here and here I am going to add CSS code for custom font. So I am going to open my code editor and here is the code. You can see that first I have link or called the font with font face code, and here is the font family lazy dog, and here is the font family buffalo, and I have added font lazy dog for paragraph and lazy dog also for link and buffalo for heading. So I am going to copy all the code and paste it in here. Now we have to do another work. We have to update the font source URL or font URL link. How you can get the font URL? Just go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel. Then click content, files, and here is the font lazy dog. So click on the link of lazy dog. Then add your link in here. Ctrl V. In the same way, copy buffalo and paste it in here also. Then click save. Asset save. Now you can see my current website font looks here, and I am going to reload. Then you can see the difference. Wow, all the font has been updated because I have added the custom font here. Looks good. Looks here. Looks good. Looks good. I hope you understand. Thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.